How to promote and sell your NFTs using Twitter. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can promote and sell your NFTs through Twitter. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So if you didn't know, the main platform for NFTs, for following an NFT community, or to get into an NFT community, is Twitter or Discord. But since Discord, you have to be able to create servers or be eligible to get into a server. It's really sometimes difficult. Whereas in Twitter, it's pretty easy. You can easily come over here and sign up and start, joining a bunch of different communities and start, garnering different attentions and, changing your algorithm. So over here, as you can see, first things first, what you're going to do is you're going to set up your Twitter account for NFT. So for that, what you're going to do is you're going to go over here into your account settings. Okay, let me just go over here into my profile. All right, what you're going to do is you're going to change a bunch of things. All right, you're going to add like a banner or an NFT profile, and you're going to add a bunch of hashtags in your bio so that people can know that you belong to this particular group of people, this particular group of community. So it's really simple. So to edit your profile, just simply click on edit over here, upload your profile picture. Actually, I should change my profile picture. It's been a while now, so let me just go ahead and do that real quick. So I think I put them over here. There we go. Here is my collection that I created a while ago. Or yeah, I'll just choose something that I like this one over here. Then I'll just pop it down real quick, a little bit zoom in, zoom out over there. There you go. Click on apply. Boom. There you go. I think that looks nice. I'm gonna save that up. There you go. Let me just reload the page. There you go. So now you have your profile picture. Same thing with the hashtags as well. Just simply add in hashtags over here. Hashtag NFTs, hashtag NFT lover, hashtag NFT creator, hashtag metaverse, whatever you want. You can go ahead and add some of those in here. If you don't know where to find different hashtags, then over here we can go over here onto this website called hashtag generator, and this is a pretty amazing website. It's gonna let us get all the hashtags that we want. So all we have to do is just input over here. So let's just say NFTs, right? So NFT, I'll just simply do that, and I'll simply click on generate, and it's going to generate some random hashtags for us. So we're just simply going to go ahead and copy all of these are some of the best ones. All right, we have best similar ones as well, so we're going to copy those, and we're just simply going to edit our profile and add those in here. There you go, and click on save. Boom, there you go. Now what you want to do is you want to go back to your home, and you want to your timeline over here. What you want to do is you want to search for different NFT communities. So let's just search for NFT over here, and hashtag NFT community. Let's go ahead and check that out as well. So over here with this hashtag, we have a bunch of different communities with different NFTs and stuff like that. Now, one thing that you might have noticed over here is, so there's a certain theme going on. All right, so what is that theme? You guessed it, it's giveaways. One of the biggest ways that you can actually grow your community and at one point at the end sell your NFTs is by growing your community, is by using giveaways. So over here, as you can see, the giveaways are very simple. All you have to do is follow this person over here, the creators, like and retweet, tag 3 friends, and then just go over and join their Discord server down below. So as you can see, it's really nice, really easy. And another thing that you have to be careful of is to not get scammed. Like, there are a lot of creators out there who have great potential, but they're not big yet. So it's better to not follow them. Just follow the latest people, the ones with the most you would say followers, and the ones who are like most influential in NFT community. So over here, as you can see, we have a bunch of different communities over here, such as the king of this NFT over here. This person has like 43.7k followers, and this is how they do it. Like, all these NFTs are really nice, and you have to remain consistent as well. So over here, if I come over here and click on media, you can see 16 hours ago they posted, then they've posted like 15th of April, like a day ago, then another day. Like, every day they're posting a certain amount of content, like 1 or 2 NFTs over there. And it's not just giveaway, they're uploading their work. All right, they do giveaways, but mostly they're just uploading their own work, and they're trying to build a community. They're trying to tell people that, hey, we have something over here, we can go ahead and do that. So this is basically not an NFT creator, this is basically an NFT promoter, as it says over here. So to find someone who is into NFT, just simply search for hashtag NFT, then you're gonna come over here and we have a bunch of different people. So we have Toxic Skull Club, we have GE Off, we have like Sugar Squad, we have like Rarity Snipers, NFT, Whale Alert, NFT Alpha. We have a bunch of different people. So what you're gonna do is just simply go ahead and follow some of these. So let's go ahead and follow this one, this one, and Binance NFT, sure. NFT Alpha, yep, NFT Alpha, World of NFTs. I'm gonna go ahead and follow a bunch of these ones as well, and some Bored Apes as well. So simply gonna go ahead and search for Bored Apes. Here we go, Bored Ape Yacht Club. We're gonna go ahead and follow some of these up, then we're gonna be good. Okay, so this was not it. So by doing this, we are now tricking the algorithm into thinking that we are now into NFTs. And because the Twitter algorithm is not that powerful as other communities such as YouTube's, it's really, really simple to, get through it. So all you have to do is just follow a bunch of accounts regarding the same topics and you're pretty practically in and you are good to go. So once you have done this, so let's just go ahead and take a rundown on what you've learned so far. So basically you have to create a profile, centered around NFTs. You have to build a community around NFTs, follow a bunch of NFT accounts that are like, really, really popular, that are influential. Follow some who are like in the midway, they're just rising up. And once you've done that, you will certainly gain enough followers that you will be able to, go ahead and move on. So as you can see right now, when I go to home page over here, if I just simply refresh the page, I will have a bunch of NFTs popping up on my algorithm. See, it's pretty simple. All you got to do is just follow a bunch of communities and you're in. So that's how you basically do it. That's how you garnish your profile. That's how you build a community. And once you have a certain community level, then you start dropping your NFT collection. All right. You start dropping your NFT collection, you upload a bunch of these up, then you make like after like dropping 5 NFTs, you then drop a NFT giveaway like this one. And then same thing over here, you gotta add in, let's say, follow and retweet option over here, and then add maybe another account of yourself for another purpose, and then at the bottom add in your Discord server's link so that people can convert over to your Discord server as well, so that they can grow a community over there as well. It's really simple, it's really easy. So over here, let me just follow this guy as well. This is the Bored Ape Yacht Club over here. So remember guys, that's how you basically do it. It's really simple, it's really easy. It does take quite a lot of time, all right? I'm sorry I said it was easy. It is not definitely easy, but it is simple, right? It all depends on you. It all depends on your hard work, on your consistency, and on your perseverance. It all depends on you. How dedicated you are to this regime, how dedicated you are to your work, that is going to determine your success. So all I have to say is grind, 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 because NFT is really, really popping right now, and everyone who is getting into it. And you never know. Maybe you might be the next Bored Apes, or you might be the next CryptoPunk type of collection. You never know. So it all depends on your consistency. It all depends on your hard work. So 24/7 grind away, work hard, and your hard work will show results. So don't worry about that. So it's really simple, it's really easy. And so once you have garnished your community both on Discord and on Twitter, then of course all that's left for you to do is just launch a new collection, your official collection that you've worked hard for. And then of course you are going to be successful. I believe that. So that is it for this video guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comment sections down below and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. And having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.